Alright, girls, you want to have some fun?
Yeah!
Alright. What is up, good people? Q here again, and I'm back with another video for you all. So in today's video, I'm going to do something a little different. I touched on it before. Today's video, I'm going to show me putting my kids in the Camaro. Yes, it does seat kids. Yes, it is doable. I do it almost daily. Got 2 car seats in there at all times. So today I'm going to show you how I fit them in there and how comfortable or uncomfortable it might be. So make sure you hit that like button, comment and subscribe, notification bell, and check out all the videos whenever I post. So let's hop into this video and let me grab my kids. Alright, so these are the girls, age 3 and 5. Say hi, girls.
Hi!
Alright, so we're going to show how we normally get in the car. So while we're in the garage, I normally have them get on both on one side, because there's not enough room on the passenger side to open the door. Because you know how coupes are, big doors, and it's not a lot of room on that side.
What are you talking
So I have all the room on the left side, and I might have been riding with my seats back a little bit the last time, but let me let this up some and move it forward a little bit. So I'll let the seats up, and as you can see, I got 2 car seats back here, the booster seat and the car seat. So let me show you all how they get in. Jay, come on.
What?
Come on.
Where are we going?
No worries, making the video. Hold on, Jasper. Let Jay go first. Come on. Get in your seat.
My seat?
Yeah. So she gets in, she climbs across the seat. If you have a bigger kid, she can do this as well. And she's able to buckle herself in.
Sometimes I need help.
Yeah, you do.
That's how you make it. Talk to me, Dad.
Alright, are you big enough to climb in the seat yet?
Yes!
Alright, good. Get in the seat. I normally put her in the seat herself. Uh-oh, that's progress right there. You can get in the seat yourself.
I keep my seatbelt. She always.
Alright.
Look at my seatbelt.
Jay, did you put your seatbelt on?
Uh-huh.
Alright, good job.
Put the water right here, Jade.
Uh-oh.
Don't drink enough.
Not just yet. Hold
Hold
on, Jasper.
Okay.
Buckle up.
A spider's head. I'm not a spider's head. You're a
So the girls are in here. This is where, I think this might be where I normally ride. I was riding with the seats back cruising lately. There's a little bit of room for her feet. Jasper, wiggle your feet.
right here.
Alright. Alright, so now I'm going to get in the car. So I fit fine. The kids are okay. Let's pull out the garage. Alright, so normally when I get the girls in the car is outside the garage. Some days it can be hard to get them both in, depending on how far over my wife parked in her car. So some days, most of the time, I'd rather just pull out the garage and do it. Speaking of the wife, here she is now. We can actually show how much room we have with her sitting in the passenger side. So you get in the car.
Right.
Got enough room down there for your feet?
Yeah, it's more than enough room.
Yeah,
I can stretch my legs out, and I'm tall. I'm 5'7", so it works.
Bobby!
Yeah. And Jade, she's pretty tall too to be a 5-year-old. She's really tall.
I'm too tight.
But that's why she doesn't sit behind me. She's too tall. But yeah, let's go for a little drive real quick. See how the kids like it.
Put your seatbelt on, Daddy. Can you put your seatbelt on, please, Daddy?
Just put your seatbelt on, Daddy.
Okay.
Who farted?
Who
Daddy,
farted?
somebody farted.
Okay.
You farted, Daddy. No, you farted. No, you farted. No, you farted. You farted. You farted.
All right, girls, you want to have some fun?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
again?
Uh-huh.
All right.
There you go.
Let's count down. 3, 2,
2,
1, go. All right, guys. I think that's enough fun for us for now.
Getting nauseous.
What's nauseous?
Means mommy feels sick. So yeah, we're at Starbucks now. See how much room we got in here. She looks comfortable. Kids are okay. They're just claiming to be hungry back there, even though they just ate right before we left.
No, we
Oh, yeah?
didn't.
Yeah, you did. Thanks a lot. You too. All right, after that quick spin, we're back home. Now let me get the kids out the car.
Check it out. A cow.
All right, so lift the seat up. You get out. All right, push the seat back. All right, I'll see you later. Let me turn this car off. All right, let me get my big baby out. You have fun? All right. Uh-oh, look at your other arm. All right, come on, big girl.
It's too hot out here, right, Daddy?
Uh-oh. Here. Give me your hand. Uh-oh. Gotta step here. Ugh. Alright, see you later. Okay, so let me talk more about the car seats and what I have back here. My oldest daughter, she sits in this booster seat. And it basically just sits in the car. So this literally just sits on top of the seat. You use the car seat belts to buckle the kid in. And this is like their most popular model, so I don't know the model exactly. But if you look on Target's website or Amazon, this would be like the most popular car seat. It's pretty slim, and this is like the go-to. And the spot she sits in back here, she was not able to buckle herself in, so I bought these seat belt extensions. And I showed a glimpse of these in another video, but I'll post a link again in the description. And this is like I think a 3-inch extension, or maybe a 5-inch extension. But I'll post a link to the one I bought. But without these, it is very difficult for my daughter and myself to buckle in. Okay, so with the car seat here, it's a lot more bulky. It's very difficult to reach around and get into the seatbelt down here. My daughter, she can't do it at all. And I normally buckle her from the driver's side. I'm on the passenger side now, and it's very difficult to get this in. So yeah, I still can't even get it in. I would need both hands. I Googled the seatbelt extenders, and I found these things. And I believe I got the 5-inch rigid one, so this doesn't move. It's kind of feels like metal in here. Yeah, this extension, it does the trick. So basically, you just stick that in. Now, as you can see, it's much higher, and it takes like literally no effort to buckle it in. There, it's as easy as that. And unbuckling's the same. So my daughter does all that by herself. So yeah, this car seat, this is more of a baby car seat that we've had for a while. And my youngest daughter, she's about to grow out of this for her birthday. Well, I buckle in through the back. Oops, I buckled the wrong one. I forgot about this extension that fast. So I just take the seat belt behind the car seat and buckle that in. But I do latch it at the top. There's an anchor up top here. And yeah, just latch the car seat in up there so it's extra secure. And pull the whole car seat out. Doing all of this with one hand. So yeah, you can probably see crumbs. It's the benefit of having kids. They get crumbs all over the place, even though they really don't eat in here. But yeah, this has the symbols for the latch thing that goes down below, but I could not find them. Like back here, there's no hooks that I'm used to. Maybe I'm in the wrong spot, but they're normally not hard to find. But yeah, that's it in a nutshell for this car seat. Can't imagine a rear-facing car seat being a pleasure to have in here because they're too bulky. You need a rear-facing car seat from ages like 2 and under. But if you have a child that's 2 and older, whatever the weight and height requirements are, a forward-facing seat is fine if you're my height. And I'm like 5'11", so I'm not the shortest, not the tallest, and I can sit comfortably. Man, I'm out here glistening. But yeah, that's it, folks. Hope you enjoy my kids, my wife, riding around in the Camaro very briefly. Hopefully, if you're on the fence about buying one, so you got kids, this will help you out. I don't know, I had so many cars. This is my 4th coupe. And to be honest, kids fit in all the cars that I had. My recent cars, my Mustang, they fit very comfortably in. Even I had the Scion FRS, and they both fit in there too. Kids are fine in most coupes anyways. But smaller kids, not your 9 and 10-year-olds. I don't know, I'm not there yet in life, so I don't know. Maybe you need to upgrade to a Chevy SS. Go ahead and wrap this video up. I know some people are thinking, why would you buy a coupe if you got kids, blah, blah. I also have a 7-passenger Ford Flex. And I also have a 5 Series BMW, just in case if I have to absolutely have the space, I got other options. I love the Camaro very much, so I'm going to drive it as much as I can, as often as I can. Thank you guys for checking me out this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace out.